At.
At.
That.
That.
Spent.
Spent.
Bet.
Bet.
Sat.
Sat.
Hat.
Hat.
The consonant T is a voiceless consonant, and because of this, the vowels that come before and after it are short. By comparison, the consonant D is voiced, and because of this, the vowels that come before and after it are elongated.
Practice production with us.
I do not know where you are at. If you are happy right here or want to change that. But one thing I know and must say as a friend is that you have a choice, and in the end, if where you are makes you lonely or sad, make plans to go or you'll wish you had.
I do not know where you are at. If you're happy right here or want to change that. But one thing I know and must say as a friend is that you have a choice. In the end, if where you are makes you lonely and sad, make plans to go or you wish you had.